Hey, good morning. Happy Monday, May 8th. So what's going on? Did you have a good Cinco de Mayo? And last week, did you see the slap her around the world? Susan Lucci slapped Michael Strahan while George Stephanopoulos looked on. Woohoo! Last week, the Alexa iDot was on sale from $50 down to $30. The sound is great. I have two in my office. If you come in, you've probably seen them. Anyway, let's get to today's topic. That's right, we're going to continue our conversation on automobile insurance, specifically the coverages of collision and comprehensive. So it's the battle or the tale of two coverages. So collision insurance is really kind of simple. It's when there's been an accident, it is your fault, and it repairs damage done to your car. It really works this way. You have a deductible, typically $500, $1,000, maybe even higher. If you have a loan on your car, then the loan company or the lien holder may limit your deductible to just $1,000. So it'll pay minus the deductible up to the estimated cash value of your car. That's how collision will work. Now let's give you an idea as to the value of your car. I'm going to use myself as an example. I've got a 17-year-old Toyota Highlander. When I go to KBB, Kelley Blue Book, and I value out the car, it came in valued someplace between $2,000 to $3,000. Car was in excellent repair, but the most it's worth is, say, $3,000. If there's an accident, it is my fault, then the insurance company will subtract out, in this case, $1,000 and pay me the difference. So if I've got a $3,000 value car minus $1,000, the most I can get is $2,000. And the other thing is, $3,000 is not a lot of money today when a car's been damaged to get it repaired. So in the case of this situation right here, or this scenario, I would probably get a check and told to go on. The frustrating thing is that that vehicle is in excellent repair, and I can go anywhere on the North American continent via a Jiffy Lube for an oil change in that car. So this is where sometimes people are very, very disappointed with how collision works. And remember, collision pays when there's an at-fault accident on your part to damage to your car. Now, the pricing of collision is different. The pricing for, say, a Toyota Corolla is going to be a lot cheaper as the cost of the vehicle is, and a lot cheaper to repair than, say, a BMW. So that gives you an idea as to how collision works. So, Mark, how does comprehensive work? Well, Mark, thank you for asking. So, comprehensive works this way. Comprehensive will pay when you, for example, come from a store, you walk out to your car, and you see that the window is broken. And you look into your car, and the radio is missing. Your seats have been slashed. Your dashboard has been slashed. That's what comprehensive will pay for. The damage done to your car while it is sitting still. But comprehensive does not pay when there's been an accident. An accident may be you come out and you see the side of your car smashed in, there's a big scrape, the bumper's dented. Now that's a collision because the vehicle had to collide with your car. Ooh, so there's a difference. Wow, Mark, yes, I can see that there is a difference between the two coverages, and I can see where a lot of people, when they return to their vehicle and they see a big scrape because a car was turning in too tight and scraped the whole side or hit their bumper, how they could be very disappointed with how that policy works. Thanks for the education on that. Now we know what to expect. Maybe we'll park our car a little further in the back of the parking lot when we park our car. Hey, so what's going on at the MLD agency? Well, last week we sold our very first Medicare Advantage plan. It was a PPO policy with Aetna. It's a really good product, so if you're interested, don't hesitate to give me a call at the bottom of the screen. Helped out a couple people with their drug cards, and looked into a vision and a dental policy for somebody else. So that's what's going on. I hope you are going to have a great week. It's May now. Temperatures are warming up. Days are longer and all. So until next week,